Today I will tell you a motivational story. Learn to love yourself. Once upon a time, a man lived in a small village. There was a mountain near his house. Wherever he is, the person goes daily and sits there for a while. He used to do the same every day. As it is today, when the person was leaving, his little son started insisting that I will also go with you. At first, he refused to let his son go because the road was very narrow. The son insisted a lot, so he take with him. Due to the very thin narrow path, both of them hold each other's hand very well. After walking some distance, on the way a huge stone comes. That person knows about that stone because it has come there many times. The child's knee gets hurt due to the stone coming in the middle. He screams loudly because of his knee injury. Due to the terrain of the mountain, his screams start resonating. He gets scared on hearing his buzzing voice. He felt that maybe someone was watching him by hiding. Then the child called out, "Who are you?" He felt that someone was hiding and making fun of him. The child said again, "I will not leave you." Then he got scared. His father understood that what is happening. He grabbed his father's hand tightly. He said to his father, "Who is this, father? Who is carrying me?" His father smiled and, looking like a ditch, said fast, "I love you very much." Then his father explained that, "Son, it is your voice which is echoing here. You will hear same voice as you make. So you don't need to be afraid. You have your own voice. That's why you will hear that you say. So speak well, you will hear well." This would happen in our life as you think. It will happen. If you think bad, then it will be bad. If you think good, then it will be good. Keep listening to such motivational stories and love yourself.